All right, in Shape, in this video, we are going to discuss how to import a CSV file into your system. So this is a demo system, but the process will be the same no matter what industry you're in, whether it's mortgage or solar or real estate, things like that. You'll just go into your settings in the top right, and under sales and marketing, you will find import. Keep in mind, if you don't see this option, it just means you don't have permission to use that page. Just reach out to your, contact, your system administrator or the support team, and we'll be more than happy to help make sure that you have access to what you need. But from here, the very first step is just to select where the data is going to go. It can be leads, applications, loans. If you're in a different industry, it might be leads, prospects, and accounts. Just whatever's most appropriate for that data. If it's past clients, you might put it in loans or accounts. If it's brand new leads, drop them in leads, but just select where you want those to go. Then all you have to do is click this upload area or drag your file. Go ahead and drop a sample import in here. Once you drop it, it'll take you straight to the second step where you will map the fields. So on the far left, you'll see a column label from your file. This will be the very top row of your CSV, just what data is included there. And the next column is just going to be a preview of what data is in there so you kind of know what went under that column. And basically from here, it's super easy. You just map fields. So first name needs to go to the first name field in Shape. Last name to last name. In this case, loan amount will go to loan amount. And while you're clicking these append to note drop downs, there's a little search bar that comes up. Just search for the field that you are looking for. Processor username, loan officer username, on down until you are done mapping. One important thing to note is if you don't map any fields, Shape's not going to create any records. Your import will show at completed at 100% just because you have to map those fields in order for the import to go through. Another important thing to note is the append to notes option. So Shape has around 900 fields for you to import into, but we may not have every field available in the system that you have in your CSV. If that's the case, don't hesitate to use the append to notes option. That way you can still have that data on that contact, but it will append to the notes on that file so you don't lose the data. It just won't go into a field because we don't have it. And once you're done, just click next. It'll take you to the very last step where you will select the user that should be assigned. It could be any one of these users. Let's do mortgage support. And choose the status of the records. So if this was a file of all new leads, we'll put them under new. If it's past closed loans, maybe we'll put it in, into closed. Then you'll see 3 action toggles here. So automation is off by default on imports, but you can turn it on if you choose to, just by using this toggle. The left one is for merging duplicates. So if you want Shape to take care of the duplicate management based on the email and phone for the contacts, you can turn that on. If you want to initiate drip campaigns off of this, go ahead and turn this on as well. Keep in mind the drip campaign does have to be on under sales and marketing and drip campaigns in order for it to start. And execute actions. This will be if you want triggers to turn on as well. Just keep in mind, these triggers apply to notifications too. So if you're importing 1,000 records, you're going to get 1,000 new lead notifications letting you know that you have new leads. So once all that is done, just hit I verified start import. And that will take you to the import report where you can kind of keep up to date on the status of your import. And you can pause it and cancel it from here as well. Go ahead and cancel this. We hope this video helps. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions at all. We're more than happy to help and hope you have a great rest of your day.